Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So just to give you guys a quick update, as y'all know, I blew my last two ESCs. So I was stuck with no ESC right now for two vehicles. And I'm trying to get those up and running because I do need to test for the main event coming in April. So I went ahead and purchased an XLX, the regular XLX, and then I went ahead and purchased an XlX2. So this is the older model. This one handles a weight up to 30 pounds. And now if you look at this one handles a weight up to 42 pounds, which is even better. So I'm gonna open these, do an unboxing on these. I'm gonna figure out in this video what I'm gonna put them in. I'm gonna set up my cables that I'm using, which is for my battery connectors. I got some 8 mils. Then I'll show y'all the old a box that I'm sending back to Castle. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. All right, guys. So let me go ahead and tell y'all something. So I went to my local hobby shop at first just to purchase an XlX2. So when I went there, he had the 1120 batch, which was one of the numbers that was a bad batch, and I didn't want to chance it. I brought it home and didn't even know, so I had to take it back. I got my funds back, and I went to another hobby shop and got this one. While I was there, they had more of these, and you can't get these no more. So I said, let me go ahead and grab this. But anyway, I got it pretty much unboxed. We're gonna go ahead and do the XLX and then the XlX2. So let me go ahead and get into it. All right, so this is the XLX. ESC to Castle. Yep, we know about that. So we got a booklet here. Sorry about that, guys. We got some booklets here. Y'all know if y'all want to mess with this stuff, y'all should go over stuff like this. Yeah, I get 2 of those because I got 2 ESCs. Sorry, y'all, working with one hand here. So, bam. Great part about this is it comes with 8 mil. That's the great part. Brand new XLX. Can't go wrong with this. So I have a certain motor that I want to run, and I don't know if this XlX2 will handle it. So that's why I'm going to put this one there. So it comes with 8 mil bullets, which is great because the motor I have already has 8 mil bullets. I just need to put my connectors up there. I do need to put my cap pack on here. I'm going to connect the wires. I'll probably use one that I have here now. If not, I'm going to get a new one. I definitely want to get a new one for that. I'm going to run it as is for now. So let's go ahead and get into that. You know, it's the Smart Sense. All of that. Y'all can snap, pause it, and look at that. For those who haven't got an XLX yet. So they gave me bullet, 8 gauge wires. They gave me bullet connectors in there, and they gave me heat shrink. See, this is a warning, so y'all could go over that right there. And that's why I don't want to run this with the motor I have, because it says right there 2000 or higher. So this, I'm not sure if I want to run it on that. But anyway, let's get into the meat of this. Wow. Let me see if I got my paper. Oh, they got me. I only got that. Oh, nope, I got it. Oh, I got some stickers, too. I don't think I got no stickers with the last one, did I? Let's see. Oh, yeah. We got some stickers, y'all. Mamba, baby. All right, let's go ahead and put those back there. We're going to end up putting them on that wall over there. But let's get into this. I'm glad they gave me some new bullets. I'm happy about that. They gave me my little wire. This is a censored ESC. Whoa, this thing is big. So we gotta figure out where we're gonna put this in. This has 8 mil bullet connectors on the ESC as well. I gotta put my connectors. This has 8 gauge wires, which is great. This is supposed to be the good one. I gotta put it on the ES. Ooh, these wires is long. Look at that. But anyway, I gotta put that on my computer, do some tuning to this. I might take out this censored wire because I don't have a censored motor loading. Well, I do have a 2000 kV motor. We gotta show y'all that. It's a 2000. It is censored, but it's a 4D. So it's the wind is 4D, and I don't think you can use a 4D on here. I might be wrong, but that's what I'm gonna look more into. But that was just a quick unboxing of the XLX2 and the regular XLX. We gonna set them up. I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out. I'll probably give y'all a last look at what I put them in. So stay tuned for that. If not, hope y'all enjoy. All right, guys, we're gonna plug it in. So one-handed, sorry about that. Plug it in. This that same 4S battery that had messed up on me. I ended up fixing it, putting a new, still working. So I got everything set up. Got it bolted down, just on 4S right now. I just want to see how it seems to be working. I got everything set up. I put my cap pack on, got the wires ran. Just need to get a cover for the top plate of this. I don't believe I had one on there. So as far as everything else, I took out the stock fan. Sorry about that. Let me go ahead and cut it off. I also built my own spool. I put the other spool in the XTM. Let me unplug this for you guys. Sorry about that. Just wanted to see if everything was working. But I took out the stock fan, put a WTF fan in there, keep it cooler. So the next step is to get it out, try it again. I did order some batteries, and I want to test this spool out. As y'all can see, I had to design that myself. It seems to be holding up good, but I want to get it out and test it, and then we'll go from there. I did order some batteries, so I will be running this on 6S. So I'll probably get it out right now on 4S, do some data logs just to see how everything's running. I did some adjustments in my ESC, so we're gonna go over that, make sure everything is good. So hopefully I can get it out. I'll probably test it before the main event on Sunday. I'm not using this in that event, but I want it to be ready for anything. So yeah, stay tuned for the testing tube for this. And I might use this in the XTM. We'll get to that right now. All right, guys, this is the XTM. I have this is a 1650 kV, and I think Castle is not recommended to run this ESC on anything higher than the 2000 kV. If y'all know more than me, let me know. I do think I have to update this too. I just gotta find a spot to put this big thing. I might have to build a bracket and put it up there. That might be the best thing to do. Build a bracket, put it up here, and run my motor wires straight in there. These are 6 mils, so I gotta upgrade those and put the 8 mils that it came with, if I plan on using that. So stay tuned for that. More than likely, I'll be using that. I will be taking out this sensor wire because I'm not running a censored motor, at least for now anyway. I put my connectors up there. I do got to get a cap pack for here. That's the next step. I do want to throw this in there and test this out. So I'll probably set this up in here and do a turn on video on this. I definitely want to turn it on. I actually could turn it on now just to make sure it don't fry. Put 4S into it, see what happens. So let me go ahead and set that up, and hopefully we can get this set up. I'll probably set up I already made a mount for this. That's the funny part. It's here somewhere. This is the mount for this. So I could just put this plate up there. Bam, done deal. So that's probably where it's gonna go. And I still have my 2 trays. Batteries is gonna come. I might try it, turn it on 4S, spin the motor, make sure it don't blow up, but we'll see. So y'all stay tuned for that. All right, guys, I didn't connect the motor wires or nothing yet. I just want to see if it's gonna work. So I'm gonna go ahead and power it on. Only on 4S though, same as I test the other ESC on. So I got it plugged up. Just gotta plug it in and see what happens. Ooh, that scared me. Alright, alright guys, sorry about that, one hand. Plugged in. Now we just gotta power on. Well, that don't sound right. We're already having problems here. We getting a woom, woom, woom on the fan. On the fan going boom, boom, boom. Let's try this again. Ooh, that scared me, boy. Alright, seems to be working. ESC is on. Throttle. I don't got nothing plugged into it, just making sure everything is good with it. So far, so good. I'm gonna power it off. Power it back on. Fan comes on until it registers. And it's good to go. Alright, so the next step is I'm gonna get everything buckled down. I'm not gonna show y'all that. I'm just gonna get it out for a test. I'm hoping that that motor is good enough. So I'll wait till after I post this video if anybody got any input. If not, y'all stay tuned for the testing too. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, but hopefully over the weekend I can get it out and test it. Just want to see what it's doing. I'll probably run it on 4S just to make sure that everything holds up, and then we'll take it from there. Alright guys. Alright guys, just a little tip of, if you don't know, but if you got like old Castle motors, even if they're Chinese made, Chinese brand, you can send them back to Castle and you'll get a discount for whatever you buy new. So I got a couple motors I'm sending back. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 motors I'm sending back. And then I'm sending back 1, 2, 3 ESCs, 2 XLX and S Sidewinder 3. Problem is with the XLX, you won't get the XLX back. You'll be getting the XLX2s. So that's why I went ahead and grabbed that other XLX while I can. So this box will be going to Castle. Hopefully I warranty one of these ESCs. As far as these, I'm just going to pay for different motors. It won't be going in this box, but just want to throw that in there. All right, guys, stay tuned.